the last hurdle would be sufficient funds for your down payment and closing costs.
So another misconception in my professional career building homes is that you have sufficient funds can be brought up to the bank in a number of ways. One could be in cash or savings, or possible equity in a home or another piece of property that one may not know they even have the ability to use, correct? So you're going to give them some advice whether they need to sell their home, or whether they could do a bridge loan, or whether or not they need to continue saving, correct?
Correct. So again, to reiterate your point, you can use existing funds that you have, whether it's in checking, savings, a money market account, or even your investments. If that's not an option, oftentimes if you have equity in your home, then you could actually do a bridge loan. So we could pool the existing equity that you have in that home and apply it towards the down payment of the new construction project.
Could you explain a little bit about the term again, bridge loan? Because I know that does need defined a little bit for people that are outside the banking industry.
Okay, so let's just say you have a home that's worth $200,000. And right now you owe, say, $100,000 on that property. We would lend you 80% of that $200,000 value. So that would be $160,000. Minus the $100,000 that you owe, you're left with $60,000. You can apply that $60,000 towards the down payment of the new construction project.
So that would probably also apply if somebody bought a lot and paid for the lot, and now they want to build a new home. They then can possibly use that lot as equity in closing on a construction.
Correct. So let's go back to that scenario where it's a $300,000 construction project. If they own the lot free and clear at $60,000, for an example, they would only have to borrow $240,000. They would have their 20% down payment already because they paid for the lot. And when you do a construction loan, we take the lot value along with the cost of construction in the total price. So you would have your 20% down essentially with the purchase of the lot.